Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we'll see how to put an equation in Excel. Excel is widely used for its spreadsheet capabilities, which include creating a lot of calculations and formulas. When I'm typing a formula or creating an equation in Excel, I precede the equation with an equal sign. So what Excel does is it recognizes that the cell is the numbers following the equal sign are to be calculated, and it calculates the numbers. Now the problem arises when I just want to write the equation itself. I don't want it to be calculated. So this becomes a bit complex, especially when I have numerators and denominators and I'm using various symbols like pi to create an equation. So fortunately, Excel has a way to handle this. There are two ways in which it can be done. The first is to use one of the preset equations. So for that, I'm going to look for the binomial theorem equation. So go to Insert. Under that, there's an Insert Symbols. I'll go to Equation. And when I expand this menu, I find a number of already preset equations. So I'm going to click Binomial Theorem, and that is inserted as an object. It's an image, so I cannot edit this, but I can drag it and place it to wherever I want. So I can place this equation and then maybe in the cell give the result of this equation. This is one way. The second way is to write the equation. Again, go back to Insert Symbols. Under Equation, scroll down and choose the Ink Equation option. So this opens this little box where I can actually write the equation using the mouse. So I'm going to write it. I'm going to put pi. And in the preview, I can see that Excel is recognizing it as pi. That is correct. And then let me write an R. And so Excel doesn't seem to have recognized this properly. Let me type a squared and put a 2 here. So the R hasn't been recognized. So let me erase that. I've erased the R. And I can go back and write it. And let's hope this time I do a better job. And it's recognized it because I obviously didn't write it properly the first time. So this is how you can write an equation, and the preview makes it easy for you to ensure that your the characters are being recognized correctly. So this being done, I'll say Insert, and this again is inserted as an image, as an object. So I can now drag this to wherever I want and then maybe give the result of this formula here. This is how to put an equation in Excel. Please read the appended article for further guidance.